na sila ang mga inutusan para pumatay. Ang dami pong mga dinarrate sila Matabato and Las Cañas tungkol sa mga specific cases of killings na yung order either pinapadaan kina Sonny Benaventura or kay Las Cañas, and at times, even from then Mayor
Mr. Chair.
Duterte himself.
I'm sorry to interrupt.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good Senator.
Yes, yes, you have the floor, you have the floor. Go ahead.
The
Go ahead.
former senator is jumping into conclusion. Let the committee decide whether indeed there is an existence of the Davao Death Squad.
Senator Estrada, may I
Yes.
just...
Go ahead, sir.
Yes, Mr. President.
One statement. Kung lahat man ito, kung totoo, palayan niyo ako ng kaso. May korte. At sinasabi ninyo na bakit ninyo nalaman na matay, na ganun-ganun. So, ibig sabihin may witnesses kayo. O, file the case in court or file the cases in court.
Then
So, ito mga kabanat, meron tayong part 3 sa ating video. Ito ay dilema pa rin mga kabanat. Ipinipilit, pero bago yan ito muna i-intro ko lang, mamaya mapanood nyo rin yung kabuang video. Magkakaroon lang ako ng konting narrative dito about sa ating nilalaman ng ating video. Dito sa part ng video na ito ay itong si Dilema, hindi naniniwala na walang Davao Death Squad. Sabi niya mayroon talaga. At nga lang, nasermonan siya dito ni Senador Jinggoy Estrada kasi pinapangunahan niya. Gusto niya kasi parang pangunahan niya yung mga senador na mayroon talagang Davao Death Squad. Ngayon, nasupalpal din siya ni President Duterte. Ang sabi ni President Duterte, mayroon pala kayong ebidensya pinipilit nyo. Sabi ni President Duterte, pinipilit nyo na mayroong Davao Death Squad, no? Maraming may Davao Death Squad, may ibig sabihin mayroon kayong mga witnesses. Ang gagawin nyo, mag-file kayo ng kaso sa court. Yun ang hamon ni President Duterte. Pero alam si Dilema, walang ebidensya Sabi niya nga kanina, naghagila pa siya sa haba-haba ng panahon. Tumanda na lang, hanggang mamatay na lang ata to. Parang hindi pa makahanap ng ebidensya laban kay President Duterte. Mag-uunahan na lang sila kung sinong una sa kanila man, no? Itong si Jokno, mukhang nakakatawa naman itsura ni Jokno. Tingnan mo. Si Jokno parang inaantok na habang itong si Dilema hataw ng hataw, sagot ng sagot kahit yung nagmumukhang ing-ing na itong si Senador Dilema, dating Senador Dilema, sa kakasalita niya. Wala talagang ewan ko, no? Parang mga sirang plaka at may mga tupak na ata. Mga nakakalungkot, no? Kung panoorin mo ang sinasabi nila, wala kang makukuhang sustansya paulit-ulit. Kasi kung talagang may ebidensya kayo na mayroon talagang Davao Death Squad, tama yung sinabi ni President Duterte, mag-file kayo ng kaso sa korte. 'Di ba? Alam niyo, yung korte ngayon, malaya silang mag-file kasi si President Duterte wala nang kapangyarihan. Kay admin ngayon ni President Bongbong Marcos, si Dilema malaya. Wala na Pero bakit nila ginawa? Kasi wala ngang ebidensya. Nag-publicity lang sila mga kabanat. O yun, nasermonan. So panoorin nyo na ito mga kabanat. Matatawa ka dito sa mga birada. At ito pa, sinabi ni Dilema, paano daw naging safest city itong Davao City? Dami daw namamatay. Pero sinupalpal din siya ulit ni President Duterte kasi parang gustong palabasin ni President Duterte naging safest ang Davao dahil nga nangawala yung mga kriminal. Totoo naman paano maging safest yung lugar mo kung maraming kriminal. Kaya kung naubos yung kriminal, then safe talaga, di ba mga kabalat? So panoorin nyo na to.
Mayor
Mr. Chair.
Duterte himself.
I'm sorry to interrupt.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good Senator.
Yes, yes, you have the floor, you have the floor. Go ahead. Go
The
ahead.
former senator is jumping into conclusion. Let the committee decide whether indeed there is an existence of the Davao Death Squad.
Senator Estrada, may I
Yes.
just...
Go ahead, sir.
Yes, Mr. President.
One statement. Kung lahat man ito, kung totoo, palayan niyo ako ng kaso. May korte. At sinasabi ninyo na bakit ninyo nalaman na matay, na ganun-ganun. So, ibig sabihin may witnesses kayo. O, file the case in court or file the cases in court. Sabi ko nga dito sa ano ko, mine and mine alone. Gusto ko ang syudad ko maganda, malinis, at livable. At sa awa ng Diyos, ako ang nauna sa Pilipinas. Alam mo bakit, sir? Ako po'y empleyado lang ng gobyerno. I started as a prosecutor. Kaya kapa ko yung kriminalo, pati yung mga criminals.
That is why, Mr. President, I was asking during my line of questioning a while ago, addressed to former Senator De Lima, why did she not file cases when she was the head of the Commission on Human Rights? She investigated, allegedly, the DDS, if there is a right term for it. She did not file any cases. You were present, Mr. President, when I think when Senator De Lima, or when she was the chair then of the CHR, you were present during the investigation, if I am not mistaken, Mr. President.
Yes, sir.
And the president, when I asked him, denied that there was an existence of the Davao Death Squad. My question lang, Senator De Lima, bakit hindi kayo nag-file ng mga kaso kung talagang naniniwala po kayo na meron ho talagang death squad? Why did you not file cases immediately when he was just still a mayor?
Yes, Your Honor, nasagot ko na po yun.
Hindi mo nga
Dahil
sinasagot
yung mga pwede talagang mga maging witnesses ay hindi pa willing, takot pa na mag-testify against the former mayor.
All right, when you were Secretary of Justice, you had all the power. You were a very, very powerful cabinet member under the Aquino administration. Why did you not pursue it?
Because at that time, wala na nga hong nagiging resulta ng mga nagiging investigation din. Because again,
Madam
mahirap
Madam
kunin-
Chair, Madam Senator, you were a very, very powerful member of the cabinet during the Aquino administration. You had all the resources. You had the NBI at your disposal. Lahat ng mga government agencies were under your disposal. You had the ear of the president. Bakit hindi kayo nag-file ng kaso laban kay Mayor Duterte?
At that time, the relevant, real evidence, testimonial evidence, wala pa po sa aking disposal. Although I did try, yung sinabi ko po kanina, na rinifer ko na muna sa NBI. So, kaya lang, yun ang naging report, binalik nila sa akin. Now, they're trying, pero nahihirapan din sila na i-access yung mga witnesses.
Mr. President,
Kayo, yung
Mr. Chair,
sinasabi po kanina ni former President Duterte na Davao is the safest city, I think that is belied by statistics. I don't have the exact statistics now, but I read certain data. It's not the safest city. It has
So what is
among
the safest city,
highest,
as far as you
I
know?
would not know. It was it registered as among those with highest data on killings or murders. So how can it be a safe city?
Mr. President, Mr. Chairman, with the permission of Senator Jinggoy,
I think the former president wants to answer the accusations. These statements
Mr.
of
President,
former
yes, you're
senator.
recognized.
Maraming namatay, sir. Marami talaga. Thousands, I would say, from yung naging mayor ako. Marami. Ito yan sila. Dito yan sila lahat. Hindi would tell you, si Danao, si Koy, si Yambua. Ito si Senator Bato. Maraming namatay, pero ang namatay, sir, mga kriminal.